If you've ever seen this video not available error when trying to use Apple Plus TV app, we will show you right now real quickly how to fix it. Of course, you tried it and you try and play a certain video and then you get the same error over and over. Video not available. So this is a very simple fix. The problem is with the audio in your Roku TV or your Roku box. You need to go down to your settings, find audio, go to your audio input, and go down to digital output. And you want to change it from audio to custom Dolby Digital. When you select Dolby Digital instead of auto, it will fix the issue when you go back in and log back into Apple TV. Again, go to your audio section, digital output format, custom, and select Dolby Digital instead of auto. That's it. Hope you found this helpful and resolved your issue.